Oh, it's on. I'm still experimenting with my ink that I've got. This one is also very old. I tried to use it in the beginning of my art journey to sketch my sketches with this, but it didn't work that permanently. So luckily I've got a few other tricks that I learned along the way. I'm just going to take a little bit in this pipette of mine, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to spread. Just remember, you don't go to the half line with your horizontal line. You always go just slightly under the half line or above or wherever. I don't know how this is going to work. It's going to be my first try with this. So I'm just going to drop a little bit there. Oh, it actually looks nice. I like that. Okay, and then I will just let it develop a little bit. Just stick your paper down if you're not too lazy like me, but I don't like it because I don't get the tape off nicely, and then it makes marks that I don't like. You can also take your bambuski where you can see there's no water there. I hope you can see that. So I'm just going to take this and I'm just going to connect it. And maybe that side as well, and leaving little spots of, just going to drop in a little bit of ink, water there, just to make it move. So you can actually make yourself some lines as well if you like it. It's up to you. I'm just going to take a paper and blot that a little bit away. Give it a moment to dry before I do the top. Well, it's still a little bit wet, but I want to finish this, so I'm just going to take my water bottle. It's just water in this bottle. I'm just going to put my polystyrene plate over that because I don't want to wet that now. I'm going to try and make some drips there. This one is also water, but it's just finer. So I'm just going to give it a misting. I'm just going to drag one of these up into that area there. You can see you can mist it a little bit more. Okay, that was too much, but that's not too bad. You actually need to hold this down because otherwise your ink work goes everywhere. Just tape it down, don't be like me. And then you could just maybe take a little bit of your branches, which I like to make myself little squiggly branches, and maybe take this to the top there. It's a little bit too much water for my tasting, so I'm just going to drop this quickly. And you can see where it picked up the ink. It leaves a secondary color there that I like. Just going to dab a little bit of that ink there. As I said, I haven't used this one before, so I didn't know how it's going to work. But you can always pick up a little bit of the excess if it's too much. It's usually my problem. I usually go into with too much ink and stuff, but yeah, I'm not going to change myself at this age, so I just work with it, around it or with it. And you can even, if you want, you can try and make yourself a better stem there That can be like maybe in the shadows there. And just take your trusted bamboo skewer. This is one of my things that I use the most in my art. And just connect the branches and so on, and make it slightly a little bit bigger at the bottom, because your tree is always fatter at the bottom and then it goes thinner up into the air. It didn't turn out too bad, so I will try now the other one, and then we will compare and see what works the best. I will see you next time.